This is a Unirac quick tip on wire management with microinverters for SFM Infinity. This should take place before the modules are moved to the roof. For ease of installation, rotate the module to portrait. Braid the module leads. Form leads into a loop. Pass connectors through the center. Slide the MLPE mount into the microinverter mounting slot. For landscape arrays, place mount and microinverter into the short side of the module frame with a mounting bolt about 11 inches from the right-hand module corner, then tighten the bolt. Route the leads behind the microinverter and connect. Secure loop with a wire clip. For portrait arrays, place mount and micro onto the long side of the module frame with a mounting bolt about 11 inches from the left-hand module corner, then tighten the bolt. Then follow the same process to secure and connect the module leads. As modules are installed, connect and secure the trunk cable.